Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to convert JPG file to SVG in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, you need to open your image. We need to import it to Inkscape, so we go to the left upper corner and we click on File. After that we need to go to Import or use shortcut from our keyboard Ctrl-I. So I open this option and now we need to select the image that we want to import. So for example I will choose this one image and now I click Open button. You will see this one window. I recommend you to don't change settings, stay it default, and now I click OK. The image has been successfully imported here. I will zoom out this image and then you need to click on selector tool and select your image, and now we need to go to File and open Export. Okay, and now we need to go to selection mode and here you will see the name of the file. We need to change the format by clicking here. Now you need to scroll up and check if you have here Inkscape SVG. I select this one option. Now you need to check if the format has successfully changed here to SVG. If yes, you can click export button, but before I will change the name to image2 and now I click export. And the file has been successfully exported. You can check it by clicking on this folder and you can see that here file has been successfully exported as image2.svg. Now you can close this window. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to convert JPG file to SVG, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all. Thank you for watching.